Hi, hello. My name is Roger, and this is Getting to Know Funded Forex. In this video, I'll let you know a little bit more about our instant funding account on the aggressive type or the aggressive mode. The instant funding account is a real capital account. It's a leveraged account that ranges from 5K to 100K. What's a really sweet thing about the instant funding account? It's basically the best of both worlds. Let's say that you want to be a trader that doesn't want to go through the assessment stage. You don't want to have go through the two-phase challenge. You don't have reach that profit target. Okay, well, this is why this account was created for. But let's say that you don't want to go and buy a risky HFT prop firm. So this is the sweet spot in between them. You have the best of being in a trustworthy prop firm without the need to pass a challenge, without the need to go and risk your money in a HFT prop firm. This is what the instant funding account offers. How do we do this? Basically, the cost of the account is deposited to a margin account with our liquidity providers. So, what you're able to lose or what you're able to afford to lose, the total loss of the account, it's basically the cost of it. So, what do we do in order for you to trade a bigger account? We provide that leverage and extra capital for you to trade a higher balance account without the need for you to go and trade your own capital with a lot of risk in the live brokerage account. Since day one, you're A booked. What does this means? It means that the money that you're able to lose on the account, that's your basically that's your total loss. So we don't have an issue with you being profitable. Actually, we want that because if you win, we win. So you can be sure that you're A booked since day one or you're sent to the market. You're not simulating or in a demo account. The risk management, expert advisors, automated trading strategies, or systems with unique parameters are more than welcome. We have a daily loss, a 7% daily loss, and a total loss 10%. That both the daily loss and the total loss are based on the initial account balance. Let's say that you want to figure out how would you breach an account for the daily loss from the starting point of your account. You would just have to calculate 7% of it. So let's say you have a 100K account. Well, 7K below that starting point, you would breach the account for a daily loss. So this would be 93K. Or if you go all the way to 90K, you would be breaching your account for total loss. The total loss is fixed. That does not trails you. The daily loss, it's not that it trails you, but let's say that the next day your account wakes up at 102K because you have $2,000 in profits. Well, from that starting point, you would have to go 7% or 7K, 7% of the initial balance or 7K, and you would breach your account. So you would be breaching your account at 95K. So if you want to know a little bit more about how we calculate daily loss or total loss, you can. There's videos about this. It just they just explain this specific account or this specific rule, or you can go to a frequent answer questions or to our schedule of assessment. There's no phases. It's direct funding since day one. There's just funded stage. If you want to know more about the details of this account, the profit split is 70% for you of what you do on your funded stage. The payout is every 15 days. As long as you comply with the rules, you're allowed to do news trading if you buy the add on. If you don't buy it, you're not allowed to do so. You're not allowed to enter a trade 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after the news event. What is a news event or high impact event? Is red folders on Forex Factory. If you want to be completely sure about what folder or what event we don't allow, just go into Forex Factory, and if it's red, we don't allow it. And we do have in our schedule of assessment a table that explains that only the news that impact your pair directly are the ones that we take into consideration. So let's say there was a Bank of Japan high impact event at midnight and you're trading Euro USD. Well, that doesn't affect that directly your pair, so you're good to go. And you're able to hold trades during the weekend and from one day to another without the need to buy anything. That's already included in our accounts. Just be mindful that there could be gaps during the weekend due to major economic events. Regarding copy trading, we don't allow copy trading on Funded Forex. So let's say you have one, two, three accounts with us. You should treat them and trade them separately. You're not allowed to copy trade in between them. This is because of risk management procedures that we established. What you're able to do, so if you want to, let's say you have another prop firm, you have another account with another prop firm, or you have an account with another live brokerage account, you can send trades from them to your Funded Forex account, as long as those accounts are under the same name or KYC that your Funded Forex account. Obviously, you're not allowed to trade or receive trades from other KYCs. Nonetheless, if they're from Funded Forex or from other accounts. The leverage that we offer for this account for Forex, stocks, commodities, and indices is 1 to 30, and for crypto is 1 to 20. The prohibited trading strategies include high frequency trading, which is not going to work on the real market, arbitrage, latency, hedging between other users, reverse trading, gambling, behavior trading. Basically, if you think that you're hacking the system or you're trying to find your way through the rules, just don't do it. Don't lose your time. Don't lose your money. Don't Let's not get into a weird situation where we have to breach your account. We just want traders that have good risk management procedures, a legit trading style, and you're more than welcome to trade with us. If you're a fan of martingale and grid strategies, you are allowed to use these strategies in our funded instant funding aggressive account. Just for us to be extra clear on what is martingale for us, it's any trading behavior in which you go into a lot of trades in a sequence, and basically those trades are exponential one from another. They're growing on the lot size. And the grid trading strategy would be, let's say that you are in a buy position, the price goes against you, you want to DCA your way into the market, so you go into a second position. With that, we have no problem. But let's say that the price is still going against you and you want to go into a third position. Well, you would have first to close your first trade, just keep your second one open, and then you can open the third one. Let's say that you want to go into a fourth position. You would have to first close your second trade. You would just keep your third one alive, and you can go into your fourth position. This is what grid is identified as grid for us, but you're allowed to do so. So you're allowed to open as many trades as you want and DCA your way into the market. Just please be mindful of the risk that involves trading with these trading styles. If you want to know a little bit more about our instant funding account, the aggressive mode, please go and check our schedule of assessment, our frequent answer questions in our website. There's plenty info about them. Thanks for your time. Happy trading, and I'll see you on the next one.